Hey, Mark Hewitson here with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus, and it's time for the Funday Monday drawing to see who the winner is. I've got the handy dandy box that my grandkids made for me, and we got the names in there for everybody that entered. We had quite a few people that started playing with us this month that haven't played with us before. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing if you're the winner. Again, this month's question was, I've got it on the mobile, MDREPros.com or thefundaymonday.com, and you can see our question for the month of September. August was, which of the following sensations do humans lack receptors to actually feel? And A, wetness was the correct answer. So congratulations to everybody that played along. And just a reminder, if you haven't read this month's blog, we got a great article about making a smooth home move, and it's at www.mdreprosblog.com. All right, let's see who this month's winner is. I'm going to reach in and draw out a name. Heather Zunker. Heather Zunker, congratulations, you're this month's winner. Let me know, Heather, if you want the $25 Amazon gift card or the $50 restaurant.com card. You can't play if you don't win, so watch out for the first Monday of September. We'll send an email out. I'll be posting around the next Funday Monday question, and maybe you'll be the winner of the $25 Amazon gift card or the $50 restaurant.com card. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself, Mark, and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Have a great rest of the month, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Please keep me in mind if you hear of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. Have a great day.